guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in a good as minute here. Honestly, y'all, I have done videos, but I end up deleting them because I'm too lazy to edit them. But I wanted to do this video because I ended up getting the Colourpop lip liners. Hold up, y'all, my eyes itchy. Do y'all believe that shit where like we have like little parasites in our body, in our face? And I think one of them is like around my eyelid and they don't like my lashes, but they're gonna have to wait because I'm not taking these bitches off yet. So they have to calm down. So okay, so I ended up getting these Colourpop lippy kits from Bratz. I already tried them out on TikTok, but I wanted to do it for YouTube as well because I don't want to leave y'all out. You know, I'm thinking about y'all. I ended up getting the whole collection because they had like eyeshadow palette, but I don't really wear eyeshadow no more. And then they also had like a lip gloss. I'm not really like a lip gloss anymore. I have the shade Jade, Jasmine, Sasha, and Chloe. So these are these. I really wanted to get these so bad because we're in the fall. So yeah, video because I'm so annoyed that literally the video got cut off. I did put the sugar scrub on my lips, which is by Colourpop, a lip scrub I mean, so my lips can get a little bit hydrating. Because good thing I could just restart this video because yesterday when I did this video my lips got really like dry. Start out with the shade Chloe, and then at the end we're gonna get a random combo and see how that looks. So we're gonna start off with Chloe. So yeah, these were $14 each, but I did had a code because I do use my other email and I ended up getting I think 20% off. I don't know, but I paid like 11-ish. I'm gonna just say 12 for each of them. So my total was $50 something though. Really, last night I ended up ruining a little bit. Like, look how nice this liner looks. One thing I love so far is that these are so freaking buttery. Like literally they're bomb. Oh, and these are both the shade Angel. One thing I have noticed so far when I got these, I seen these shades, like I seen these individual shades, and I wonder if they're the same color as this, and maybe they just like changed the packaging and changed the name. Because literally to change the packaging, all they had to add was brass at the end, add like the little color, and like the liner, the same thing, just add brass at the end. And like, you know, but I want them, like, did they do that or are these like new shades? So this is the color. Don't judge my liner because every time I do something on camera, everything just comes out blop. My eyeliner comes out blop, my lip liner comes out blop. Sometimes my foundation does too, but when it's off camera, I promise it looks really good. But this was really cute. I love this one. I feel like with this shirt like this, just it gives it so like very fall. So it feels like I'm about to drink a little coffee and like get some lipstick on my straw, you know, type shit. This one's really cute though. I really fuck with it. And I love how buttery and creamy these are. I don't know, because literally I have always used like lip liner, like the pencils, like the wooden pencils. They just get so hard, especially like the NYX cosmetic ones. Every time I use them, majority that I have, they're just like so hard like to rub in. They just don't want to rub in. Compared to these, it literally just goes on like butter and it's just like bomb. So now we're gonna go with the second one. This one is Sasha. I love the packaging. I think one of them I did mess it up because I opened it like from the side. I'm like, girl, you just open it from the front. So this one is Bunny Boo. They both the same. I wish they had like changed the name like on each to make it more like who the Bratz girl is, but they sadly didn't. So this one's like a pinkish. Not really my favorite because I don't really like pink shades. I used to like pink shades like back, oh my god, I don't know how frick to put it back. I'm literally freaking ruining it. Oh my god, I'm not really like a very pink shade. I used to like back in high school, but now I'm more like literally all my combos, even in the summer, are just straight up like brown, reddish type shit. This is this one. I don't know. I feel like it does look good on me. I feel like from back it kind of gets reddish, but once you like look close to it, it's getting very pink. It's cute, but it's not really my favorite. We're gonna go with Jasmine, which is like this cute. I did put the bag the wrong way, so great. This one is called Pretty Princess. Let me like show you. I'm literally not even showing you guys. So I think it was Sasha or this one, but I was gonna like not get one of them because I was kind of like it's really like not giving, because the people they were like using to show off the combos on their Colourpop Insta, they were eating. But one thing about me, I have this thing that if I don't get something like right then and I'm like hesitating, I'm gonna regret it. Like today I literally got like these Christmas, I didn't find the Falls Dove like body wash, but I did find the Christmas ones, which 2 of them are from last year, just different packaging. But I got 2. I got the chia, which smells like tres leches type shit. Then the other one smells like cookies. But I didn't get the peppermint and bark, which is, I heard that it's like the best one for some reason. And I didn't get it. And here I am regretting it, because I have the freaking bar soap from last year when they were on sale. So now we're here like, why did I not get it? So hopefully I'll go on Friday. If not, I'm gonna just like get it online. Just to have it in mind. I don't know why I do that. Like I just regret it. So I was like, if I don't get that one, I'm gonna regret it. I'll be like, I don't know how it looked. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just order it for them. So this one is this one. She's really cute. Not really like my favorite, as like, because like I feel like it's just very like purplish, but the combo though, like the liner and like the lippy, it just goes together. But I feel like maybe this with like a different lip liner maybe will eat, so I'll probably try it. I low-key want to try this one with Chloe. I feel like it will just literally eat, but we're gonna see in a bit. But this one's really cute. It's just not my favorite. Like I said, y'all, I'm not, these are like, this color is like a new color for me, honestly. I have not ever tried like a purple type lipstick, but we have to get out of our comfort zone. So but I feel like it matches with my shirt. So and the last one that I have is the shade, not the shade, is Jade, which is the shade Cool Cat. This is the one that I see a lot of people really love, is this one, and Jasmine. Jasmine is really cute. This time I know people got different taste though, because I honestly love Chloe. Like the color, it's just very dark. It reminds me a lot of this like lipstick that I had, which was super bomb, but the last time I used it, I feel like it did expire because it was just like not moving. It was like shit away. But that was like my favorite, so that really like, it just really hooked onto me. And sometimes when I get my lips done, but I heard that after you get your lips done, you have to like refill them every month, and if you don't, they get wrinkly. So I'm like, I don't know about that. I don't want my lips to get wrinkly. I'm just like, I guess I just gotta like deal with my small lips. But this one was Cool Cat. I honestly really fuck with this one. It's really cute. It's giving very her picture. Like honestly, y'all, if I have to say my favorite, it would definitely be Chloe and this one. Chloe and Jada, because these eat. But now we're gonna go on with the honesty. Well, let me like get a random combo and we'll be talking so in a little bit. So okay, Hold up, y'all. It's like eats better. I feel like the more darker combo, I feel like it just looks really bomb. So that was the shade Angel with the lippy and Pretty Princess. I feel like these are worth the price, $14 each for each, because we already know Colourpop is a little bit not like very pricey, but coming from me, usually I'd be like I don't know about that, but I feel like it's really worth it because individually a lip liner costs you $9 and these normally cost like $10, so you save yourself like $5, which is honestly a steal. And another thing, if you like a person like me that has trouble finding combos, that's one thing about me. Like I have my same combos all the freaking time, and sometimes we hear like, damn, like lately I'd be like, damn, I want some new lip combos for falls. And every time I see a new combo going on, I'm like, I'm about to get that. But when I go to the store, gone. Like they're all freaking gone. So I feel like this is just much easier for me because literally I can just be like, oh, I really love Chloe, and I literally get a liner and like a lipstick, which is such a steal because I don't even have to like go and get it. I just have it. And one thing about these, you can also like play with them, match them, whatever, or you can just match it with like lip liner. I have like some bomb lip liners that I feel like they will eat with combo with this, especially with these are so freaking buttery. I especially fell in love with the lip liners because they're so buttery. Like right away they smooth to the shape compared to like some of my lip liners. They're just very hard and dry. These are so creamy. Like literally my lips feel very creamy. Like they don't feel dry. My lips don't feel like they're chapping, none of that. And I just like wonder like if this is gonna last me all day because I am obsessed. I am obsessed with it. But another thing though, I feel like one thing, if you don't want to get these, I feel like you can probably find the combos like from other products because there's a lot of lippies, you gotta be honest, a lot of lipsticks, lip liners that have very, very similar shades. And I feel like if you just don't want to spend your coin on like these, you can probably find dupes for it like more cheaper at Walmart or like Ulta. But this is so much better because it's a steal. I paid literally I think like $53 or 58, 56. It's just around the 50s. I ended up spending that amount for 4 combos that each were like literally, it's like a steal because I get 2 in 1. So that's a steal, honestly. So yeah, I really enjoyed these a lot. I freaking love the color. I fell in love with this little combo, which is the one I did, because I feel like it just, she eats. And I feel like these colors are very, very fall. Like right now we're in the fall, girl. Winter's coming, you know, you still gotta look good. And these are just the perfect colors to go because honestly, like, you know, them pumpkin patch, them maze, them freaking bears all over the freaking town, and you need to look good. You know, you need to look good. I honestly would recommend Chloe, and I honestly would recommend Jade, which she already got messed up with the mix of all my shit. So it would just be Jade. It's like a very purplish, and then Chloe, they're just very brown. But if you want like a more settle, honestly, just go for the Sasha or go for the Jasmine one. But my favorite, I gotta say, was Cool Cat, aka Jade, Angel, aka Chloe. These were my top 2 that I fell in love with, and I am gonna be reusing these so many freaking times when I go out because they were bomb. Yeah, this was my honest review of this Colourpop times Bratz Lippy Kids collection. If y'all did enjoy this video, as always, don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.